I just came out of the shower, but I had an idea for a video. Yo, you doing anything right now?
Slacking off.
Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an AI write us a scene and we're gonna perform. Write a scene between two roommates who are arguing about who is more popular with girls. Here we go. It's going!
Oh my gosh.
You'll be Tyler?
Yeah.
Okay, here, let's learn our lines. We're gonna rehearse and then we'll get back to you. I can't believe you're still putting off that Jenna girl. She's clearly not interested in you.
What are you talking about? Everyone knows I get more girls than you.
You're right. I bet I could get more girls than you any day of the week.
Oh, you're on. Let's see, by tonight, let's see who gets more girls.
Fine, let's do it. See, I told you I could get more girls than you.
Because you're better looking than me.
It's not about looks, okay? It's about confidence and charm, both of which I have more than you.
You know what? We'll see about that. Next time, I'll get more girls that like me.
In conclusion, AI writes bad scenes. Do it yourself.